Hello and welcome to an Etoys Minute or Two with Mr. Steve. If you've been following my blog, you know I've been working on some fraction projects for Etoys and OLPC. So here I'm working on a fraction or PlayThink, a tool that teachers and kids can play with. Now I can mouse down on a particular block and it will change color. And if you shift drag, which is an interesting way to select something or a different way, I can get the viewer of the object. And you'll notice I have player color 1 and color 2. Well, I can actually change the colors. Let's pick a slightly different one. That happens because this script tests the playfield color and changes the rectangle's color for each rectangle. And this works because what I've created are sibling instances. And with siblings, they all share the same scripts. The variable values may change, or in this case, its particular color, but the script is the same for all. So this was my first iteration of a fraction artifact or PlayThink. Then I wanted to make it a little bit easier for the teachers to create. So let's say I want to create something with 3 rows and 2 columns. I specify number of rows and columns, push a button, and I've filled it. I can also here change my colors just like in the other. Let's pick purple and red. Now this actually works on mouse down. I can change it. You notice I push that button. Now if I refill this, it changes color when my mouse enters. This would actually be really nice on a touchscreen. So it's another tool to play with. And I took it to the next level. I've been working on this a couple of days, where once you have this, I may want to hand myself a copy. And you could start out with it all green and say, okay, show me 1/3, or show me 1/2. Now I could copy this whole thing and have kids make their own and put that in another project. The other thing I've done is I've locked it. So let's say you actually want to use 1/3 in a project. You want the kids to explain what 1/3 is and make multiple representations of 1/3. I can lock it. Now if I hand myself a copy, you'll notice the mouse down and mouse over do not work. This has been an Etoys Minute or Two with Mr. Steve. Thank you.